Salut tout le monde, c'est Xef. Aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour un nouvel épisode de Life is Strange. Épisode 7, 8 peut-être 9 peut-être aussi, je sais pas. Je vais le dire ici, je vais le mettre dans le lien de la vidéo, ou de l'une des précédentes, ou dans les prochaines. Et dans les à propos de ma chaîne, j'ai un serveur Discord si ça peut intéresser quelqu'un, donc je vais mettre les liens dans la description de cette vidéo ou de les autres, et dans la description de la chaîne. Donc vous irez voir, et pour l'instant on va continuer Life is Strange. Ok, on sortait... Ouais, on venait de vérifier les dossiers sur l'ordinateur, je crois. Ok. D'accord. Par là, Chloé. Ah.
Nice breakfast.
David, you back already?
I have to take a nap after writing up vandalism reports last night.
What happened?
Some little shit-ass punks broke into the swimming pool. This is what happens at these PC bullshit colleges. Entitled students taking over the campus.
Do you know for sure it was Blackwell students?
Who else would do it? And I'm gonna bust them.
Ouais, ok.
Figures you'd be here. Is that your Rachel Amber Halloween costume?
You know more about her than me.
Must be nice to be suspended and have some free time off Blackwell.
Leave Max alone, David. Stop threatening students.
He threatens them with surveillance cameras, so he can spy on everybody. Like he spies on all of us here.
Don't start, Chloe. Not now.
Yeah, I'm just always starting shit, right? You're a total paranoid, David.
Not now, Chloe.
You used to call me a loser for getting kicked out of Blackwell. So who's the loser now, David? Who haven't you accused or harassed? Between your investigations into Rachel and Kate, what have you done besides get in trouble?
Dans l'histoire, en vrai, David a pas totalement tort, mais moi je préfère prendre le parti de Chloé, c'est quand même notre meilleure amie, donc on lâche pas ses amis.
You're a bully, David.
Mais elle y va un peu fort,
I saw you
Max.
harass Kate Marsh when she was going through hell. You could have totally helped her. Everybody at Blackwell is a suspect to you, except for Nathan Prescott. That's why the students and faculty don't like you. You even threatened me. I do respect your service, but you don't respect anybody.
You were smoking pot in Chloe's room. That's illegal.
So is spying on people in your family and at your work. Why do you have photos of Kate Marsh and Rachel Amber in your files anyway?
What? Is this true, Max? Yes, David. Why do you have these files at all? I find this very disturbing.
I do not have to take this kind of interrogation. Not from you punks.
Maybe you should calm down.
Oh. You're turning on me now, huh? Of course. Women always stick together. Well, screw you.
David, you better go to a hotel until we figure this out.
You can't kick me out of my own home.
It's my home, David. Paid for and in my name. You know the law, right?
Oh, I thought I knew a lot of things. Like when I'm outflanked.
Have a nice day.
Chloe, for once, just please shut up.
Ah, le pauvre
I
quand même.
hope Joyce doesn't hate me for tearing into David.
Max, don't beat yourself up. David earned this all by himself. Understand?
Ouais. Ça y va probablement un peu fort, mais écoute.
Max, that gave me chills. And you better not rewind this one.
Ouais, on y va. On se casse. On va pas aller par là, David, de toute façon ça sert à rien. Il nous en veut pour ce qu'on a dit.
Listen, when I went through David's laptop, I found pictures of Rachel and Frank being more than friends.
Right, no way, Max. She was just posing to tease Frank.
If you're not gonna believe me, why don't we check out what Frank has in his RV?
What's that gonna prove?
Ouais.
Frank has Rachel's bracelet. What else does he have in there?
Motherfucker better not have anything. For his sake. Let's check the door. Frank gets so wasted, he sometimes forgets to lock it.
I can't believe you hung out with him.
Not anymore. We have to be casual ninjas here. Shitballs. Okay, here's the plan. I'll go to the diner and distract Frank by telling him I have his money, but he needs to come with me. Then you come in and rewind so Frank doesn't see me. Then you can tell Frank he needs to check out his RV, and then you rewind after you get the key, and...
Chloe, I got this. I'll be right back.
Don't let my epic plan get in the way of yours. I'll try to scrounge up a Scooby snack to distract his mangy mutt.
Now to find a quick and easy way to snag Frank's keys.
Y a des oiseaux morts. Papa. Désolé de t'avoir contacté de pas t'avoir contacté plus tôt. Que tu dois être sous le choc. Merci papa, c'est super dur, mais je ne suis pas prête à rentrer à la maison. Ah, il y a Warren qui nous a écrit aussi. Heureux de voir que t'as pas fait exploser Blackwell, enfin presque heureux. Au fait, apparemment tout le monde veut aller au drive-in, alors j'achète les billets maintenant. J'en prends un en plus au cas où tu changes d'avis. On va pas parler à tout le monde, on a des trucs à faire. J'aime bien le jeu, fouiner et tout, mais là...
Good lord, bacon. I'm ready to nosh again. Ugh, but I need to get those keys from Frank.
Allez.
I just wanted to see what would happen if I did this.
I'm gonna kill you.
Non, tu me tueras pas. Pas aujourd'hui.
You eat like a pig. Try the floor.
I was eating those beans. Are you fucking insane? I was eating those beans!
Oh yeah. Ok, on va juste lui parler.
You show up after almost shooting me? You have serious balls, little girl. But hanging out with Chloe, playing with guns and dressing like Rachel doesn't make you cool or tough. The fuck do you want?
How do you know these are Rachel's clothes?
Because she looks beautiful in them and you look like ass. Aiming a gun doesn't make you any sexier.
Grab your keys and let's check out your RV.
Let's not. You fucking creep me out.
In other words, Max, no keys. Maybe I could chat up that officer, or even Nathan, and then go all Groundhog Day on them until I get the info I need.
Un jour sans fin. Très bon film ça. Non mais je vais pas aller plus vite, me semble, non? Je vais aller plus vite. Voilà, c'est ça, non? Non, là j'avance. Bon, attends. Voilà. La dernière action commise, c'est lui parler. On passe à... Dette de Chloé.
Could I get you to drop Chloe's debt?
Are you supposed to be a smart student?
You'll find out if you do me this favor.
Thanks, Godmother, but I don't need your favors. And Chloe doesn't get any from me.
Ok. Comment je fais déjà?
You eat like a pig.
Ça fait rien. Allez, recule. Voilà. Y'a rien. Qu'est-ce que je suis censé faire déjà? Ah, faut peut-être que je parle aux autres gens du bar. Genre le flic.
How you doing, Maxine? I'm so sorry you had to be up there with Kate when she, you know. Just know that we're proud of you for going up there.
Thanks, Officer Barry. I know you guys deal with this stuff way more than me, but it is hard to deal with.
I'm glad you're representing Blackwell Academy.
Nathan.
I thought Nathan Prescott represents Blackwell.
Well, don't make me backwash this bacon. You know what the Prescotts represent.
Taking over Arcadia Bay?
You're not far wrong, Max. I heard the Prescotts are working on some new big land deals. Mr. Prescott helped out my family once a while ago, so I made a deal with him that I can't seem to get out of. Man, if I could get one instant replay in life. I better finish my breakfast first.
On revient. Et on lui reparle.
How you doing, Max?
Thanks, Officer Barry.
I'm glad you
Accord avec les Prescott.
I heard a rumor you were working for the Prescott family on the side.
Jesus, doesn't this town ever shut up?
I don't blame you for getting extra work.
Look, sometimes I check up on the Prescott family to make sure they're doing all right. Nathan included. Keep this quiet, Max.
Try interrogating somebody else, Lieutenant Caulfield.
Avec... La caméra, elle a pété un câble.
What can I do for you, Max?
Alors, faut que je revienne en arrière. Et là... Non, encore un coup. Je peux lui reparler encore une fois de l'accord.
How you doing, Maxine?
Thanks.
I'm glad you
Non. Ok. Je peux parler aussi à Nathan de ça. Il doit être là en fait, c'est pour ça. Oui, il est là-bas. Yes, enfoiré.
Rachel? Whatever the fuck. Oh, look, Max Amber. Is that your punk rock girl outfit now that you've been suspended? Thanks for trying to get me in trouble, you twee bitch.
Fuck you.
Considering we're in a public diner with a police officer right over there, you shouldn't advertise your rage, Prescott.
Oh, yeah? You shouldn't have bitch snitched on me to that fucked up principal.
Information du flic.
I heard your dad hired a local cop to keep an eye out on you and Frank Bowers. Like a babysitter.
Bullshit. My dad doesn't hire. He owns. And these pigs know better than to narc on me.
Do they? I hope that means Frank won't get busted.
Eventually, he will. Guy's into some freaky shit. He told me once he took a weird blood oath for Rachel. Forget I told you that. Seriously. Now get off my crack, whore. Keep your pie holes shut.
En souvenir. Voilà, on lui repart. Pacte de sang.
Weren't you supposed to keep your mouth shut about the blood oath Frank took for Rachel?
Blood oath? What the fuck? I never told anybody about that freaky shit. Besides, everybody knows Frank is a liar and a loser. Even Rachel did.
Yet Rachel Amber hung out with him more than you.
So, Rachel wanted Frank's stash. She let him take pictures, then he carries around her photo like she posed for love. Dumbass.
Bon, en tout cas, je sais d'avoir les clés de Frank en lui parlant, en parlant à
What the fuck now?
You know I saw that photo Rachel gave you.
How do you know about that? Huh? Chloe, right?
She just told me that one of Rachel's favorite pictures was the one she did for you.
Really? Yeah, I mean, that's what I thought. She was just a natural beauty, you know? Wait, let me find it. Here, judge for yourself.
On va regarder la photo pour vrai? Non, je peux pas? Je peux juste prendre les clés.
I'm afraid I'll have to take your keys now, asshole.
You did not just do that. Give me back my keys, bitch. Give me my keys now.
Ok, ok. On va te rendre tes clés.
Key brought. Now back to Chloe.
Ah, c'est pas drôle. Il aurait fallu que je foute les haricots par terre puis que je lui prenne les clés après. Pas important, de toute façon j'ai les clés. Oh putain, pas envie de t'aider, désolé.
I should have known. The amazing Spider Max.
I couldn't have done it without Frank. Now let's get in and out.
You'll need this, Max. On your mark, get set. Throw!
Sur la... Ok, on va pas le tuer le chien quand même.
Get the treat, boy!
I think we just made that dog our bitch. Get it?
Now we can snoop in peace. But let's not waste time.
Bon.
Doggy is busy now, but he
Oh.
might come back.
Il y a un câble aussi des fois. Pose des écouteurs.
Damn, I thought my room was a shithole.
You're not a creepy drug dealer.
Frank has issues, but he's not creepy. At least I didn't think so until I saw him with Rachel's bracelet. Oh, we could cruise everywhere in this bad boy. Can you see us heading down the coast to Big Sur and beyond?
Bah logiquement on a les
Yes,
clés,
you'd
on
be
pourrait
tearing
carrément
up the
partir avec
highway.
le van.
And you'd
Pas le van,
probably
le
want me to
camping-car.
kiss you again. Chloe, we're on a schedule. We need clues about Rachel.
I know, just daydreaming.
Bon,
You scope the area while I hack his computer for info.
Good to know
couteau.
Frank has a knife lying around. Frank is almost a made-for-TV hoarder. This place is nasty.
Ouais. C'est dégueulasse. C'est quoi ça?
That's a pretty extreme lighter.
Un briquet. Un livre. Ouvrir? Non, je peux pas.
I could pry this vent open with the right tool. No more secrets.
Si je me souviens bien, selon ce que Frank avait dit, on lui avait tiré dessus, non?
Ooh, Frank's stash.
Dirk. Pas nécessaire. Donc, et il avait donc du coup pris le flingue.
No prize here.
Parce que quand on essaie de lui tirer dessus, du moins il y a le flingue. Il prend le flingue.
Zip, nada, nothing.
Ou peut-être pas. Puis c'est l'autre choix en fait. De bouffe au chien, bouteille.
Crappy Wi-Fi out here. Must take him days to download porn.
Yuck.
Yuck. On va prendre le couteau.
This is almost as good as a set of
Putain.
keys.
Non, alors
Frank
vous ne
must
l'avez pas
spend
pris.
all his drug money on baggies. Recycle, dude. Of course Frank gets the munchies. Nice rig. Glad Frank treats something here with respect. How can somebody live like this?
Quelqu'un qui n'a pas besoin de grand chose. Y a rien. Ah, la caméra. Y a un tag.
Too bad I don't have my Frank Bowers decoder ring.
Un
Are
clouet,
these
elle
for
dit, rentre.
Frank or is he selling them? Or both?
Je veux pas savoir. Ça on a déjà vu, le livre.
Is Frank going to deal online now?
Web business.
That's
Pictures.
almost cute to see Frank posing with his dog.
Fuck.
Curses, nothing here.
a rien dedans. Donc non. Non, y a rien dans les placards. Bon, d'accord, on avait réussi à garder le flingue. Je me suis
My
trompé.
blade will open any portal.
Ça, c'est ce qu'on
Oh
cherchait.
man. Rachel and Frank's dog. I don't know if I should be touched or disturbed.
C'est trop long.
I'm glad Rachel got to drive this
Il
beast.
s'appelle Pompidou, faut
She
s'en
looks
souvenir ça.
genuinely happy.
Et pauvre Pompidou, c'est le nom du chien. Bon, pour l'instant, ça rentre pas dans les
Rachel really
informations
did hang out with Frank.
nécessaires, mais plus tard, on va le
I'm learning more
réapprendre.
about Rachel than I want to know.
Ouais,
Trouble in paradise.
ouais. Ok. Pas grand chose d'autre à faire, je pense, donc on va lui parler.
That makes me ill that Rachel posed like this for Frank. I wrote him love letters. I can't believe she was banging Frank. Rachel straight up lied to my face. Why didn't she say anything?
Because she knew how you would react.
And she wasn't much of a friend, huh? Just another person who shits all over me. Why does everybody in my life let me down? My dad gets killed, you bail on me for years, my mother gloms onto stepfucker, now Rachel betrays me.
Chloe, Rachel is missing. Nobody betrayed you.
Bullshit! Who hasn't? Fuck everybody!
Chloe!
Il les a lancés sur le toit, le pauvre quoi, comment il va faire avec son truc? Il a rien vu. Il s'est toujours pas rendu compte qu'il a pas ses clés. Bon.
Chloe, you can't keep blaming me and everybody for everything wrong in your life. It's so not fair.
I gotta blame somebody, otherwise it's all my fault. Fuck that.
It's just life. Shit happens. It's nobody's fault. Blah, 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 as Mr. Jefferson would say. And Kate Marsh.
Yes, Kate Marsh killed herself. She's dead. Such sad, okay? That doesn't make me feel better about my fucked up life, get it?
So who do you most want to blame?
My fucking dad, of course. Hello?
You blame William? Really?
Yes, I do. Damn right. He chose to go out that door and leave me forever.
Chloe, your dad didn't choose to leave you.
I know that, Max. My mom actually blames herself. Just because she wanted a ride home from work. Sometimes, even I blame her.
No, you don't.
Yes, Max, I do. Do you know what it's like to wait for your father to come home when you're a kid? And he never does?
No, of course not. But I was with you that day. It was just a terrible accident.
I wish that made me feel better. But ever since he died, my life has been dipped in shit.
You don't want to hear this, but you're still here. Alive. With me. And that is no accident.
You're right. I don't want to hear this.
Chloe, I can't do this out on my own. I need you with me. And Rachel needs you.
Ouais. D'accord, je sors. Bye bye. Ok. Blackwell, dans notre chambre. Avec l'ancienne photo. La photo que nous a donnée Joyce. Du jour où William, le père de Chloé, parti chercher justement la mère de Chloé et là et qu'il est mort
Oh
par
my
l'accident.
God. What is happening?
Et là on se découvre un nouveau pouvoir apparemment. Alors là je commence à m'en aller plus loin que je ne l'ai été avec ma partie perso. Je l'ai pas encore fait ça. Allez. Voilà, je l'ai. C'est parti.
Someday Dad'll get one of them newfangled computers.
I hope the flash didn't scare you, Max. This is a keeper.
Not until I see it first. You know the rules, Dad. Max, tell him. Whoa, hey. You look totally pale. Are you okay?
Yeah, I just. Yeah, I'm fine.
Bon, c'est un peu bizarre, elle a la même voix alors que Chloé elle parle plus comme ça.
This one into the family album.
You're the boss.
What is this?
But not the cook.
William is
Any
here.
chance, Daddy?
Yes,
And
we can't
Chloe
expect
is
your
just
mom
a
to rush
kid.
home and serve us slackers.
Am I
Who
that
wants to
far
have
back in
pancakes?
You
time?
mean
What?
pancakes?
In France, they call them
I'm
crepes.
18 years
A good
old
French
inside
chef
my
uses
13-year-old
assistance
self.
If you want to eat
How?
Elle est remontée très loin dans le temps
I
grâce à la
volunteer to break
photo.
the eggs.
Do you remember how many eggs?
I love William like he was in my own family.
So how many
I
eggs?
won't let him die today.
Question the chef.
I won't.
Now I get to take a picture. Strike a pose. Make me a star.
Just make me look young.
Like you're
Ça,
the
ça
real
compte
cook.
comme une des photos ici. Et en plus, elle change le
Real cook
cours
here.
du temps à cause des papillons dans le coin, apparemment.
I am when your mom is away.
You can see the bond between Chloe and her father, and the love. Now, this is a photo. Chloe is just so damn happy and carefree. And this is the last time unless I change it.
Le téléphone. Eh, y a pas la porte. En fait, si, on voit un peu le
It's all
truc, mais
blurry
voilà, tu vois.
here.
Just make
Like
me
I
a
can't
fabulous
step out of the
breakfast for
photographic bounds.
We're all going to work at
Ah,
the two ways.
elle est limitée par le cadre de la photo. Ça, j'avais pas compris parce que les gens que j'avais vu jouer à ce jeu n'avaient jamais
I didn't know you
monté
had to do
jusqu'au
groceries. Of course, I'll come pick you up.
jusqu'au truc.
Now I'll have an excuse to get a mocha.
Et le cadre
Either
de la
sure.
photo, c'est la cuisine.
Love you.
Et donc,
I
on est
have to
limité
stop
à la
William
cuisine.
from taking his car today.
Ladies, I have to go rescue.
Donc, on va revenir là en arrière. Hop. Non, je veux pas empêcher la photo. La photo, je veux la laisser.
Right, like you're the real cook
On va
here.
débrancher ça.
Boom. Disconnected.
Your mom is away.
Ah, j'aurais pas dû faire ça en premier. Avant de le déconnecter, je vais reprendre la
I
photo.
am when your mom is away.
Now
Parce que moi,
I
je
get...
veux, je veux laisser la photo faite.
I'll let her know that.
Ensuite, on débranche le téléphone.
Boom.
Comme ça, quand je vais revenir, ça va être le
Disconnected.
téléphone qui sera plus branché.
What a mess we made. I remember those cool drawings I did with Chloe.
Ouais, là, il se fait appeler sur son cellulaire.
I have no idea why the home phone didn't ring just now. I'm just making a fabulous breakfast with Chloe and Max. We're all going to work at the Two Whales. What?
Chloé and Max, c'est vrai que je fais beaucoup pour le déjeuner là.
Of course I'll come pick you up.
C'est
Now I'll have an
très,
excuse
très
to get a mocha.
intéressant.
Be there shortly. Love you. Excuse me, ladies. I have to go rescue yonder queen at the Save Mart. She doth have many bags of delicious grub for us to feast upon.
Attends,
You are
faut que je le
ridiculous.
regarde.
You'll be grateful for that someday. Shit, where are my keys?
That's $1 for the swear jar.
You mean your college fund? Keys, please.
Justement, tu les as foutus où les clés? Faut que je sache où il les a mis. Pour l'empêcher de les prendre.
Aha!
Dans la casquette. Donc, la prise de téléphone.
Boom.
Les clés. Je peux pas les prendre? Pourquoi? Pourquoi je peux
Hey,
pas
honey.
prendre les clés?
I have no idea why the home phone didn't ring just now. I'm just making a fabulous breakfast with Chloe and Max.
Ah putain.
We're all going to work at the Two Whales. What?
Le tout whale
I
des
didn't know you had to get
concurrences.
groceries. Of course I'll come
T'es pas
pick you up.
comique toi?
Now I'll have an excuse to get a mocha.
Oh, yeah, I miss movie nights here. Cookies and popcorn.
Hmm.
Excuse me, ladies, I have to go rescue yonder queen at the Save Mart. She doth have many bags of delicious grub for us to feast upon.
Pourquoi je peux pas prendre les clés?
You'll be grateful for that someday. Shit, where are my keys?
That's $1
Là.
for the swear jar.
You mean your college?
Ou bien j'avais pas besoin de débrancher le truc vu qu'il se fait appeler sur son autre téléphone, j'ai qu'à reprendre les clés. Pourquoi je peux pas prendre les clés? Elles sont là, en dessous de la casquette. C'est bizarre. Merde. Ah, je vais répondre à la place.
Sorry, wrong number.
Oups.
Max, come on, you know better than that. Hello? Hey, honey. Just making a fabulous...
Il a pas l'air d'avoir aimé l'action en plus. Vraiment. Mais vraiment quoi. Il a vraiment pas aimé ça. Bon, ok. Apparemment,
When your mom is away.
I'll
pas
let
la
her know
photo. Non. On va débrancher le téléphone. Eh, c'est pas la photo? Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? Ah, l'action s'est déclenchée.
Hey, honey. I have no idea why the home phone didn't ring just now. I'm just making a fabulous breakfast with Chloe and Max. We're all going to work at the Two Whales. What? Oh, I didn't know you had to get groceries. Of course I'll come pick you up. Now I'll have an excuse to get a mocha. Be there shortly. Love you. Excuse me, ladies. I have to go rescue yonder queen at the Save Mart. She doth have many bags of delicious grub for us to feast upon.
You are ridiculous.
You'll be grateful for that someday. Shit, where are my keys?
That's $1 for the swear jar.
You mean your college fund? Keys, please.
Mais... Eh, faut peut-être que j'attende plus longtemps.
Aha! You can't hide from me forever. Now lock up after I leave. Play nice. Try not to destroy too much of the house. And no Chloe and Max wine tasting session.
Dad.
Don't blow it, because tonight your mother promised to make us a world-famous salmon surprise with chocolate cake for dessert. Max, you'll be here too, right?
She's never leaving me.
That makes all of us.
Ouais. Bon. Là, je peux prendre les clés. Oui.
Mom said it depends.
Score!
That's true.
So, how many eggs?
Don't you dare question the chef.
Right, like you're the real cook here.
Boom!
When your mom is away.
Voilà. Et
I'll let her know that.
la
Now
photo,
I get
vite.
to take...
Et on va mettre les clés dans la boîte de céréales. Ok, bon. Boule à neige.
That's a cool snow dough.
Hey, honey. I have no idea why the home phone didn't ring just now. I'm just making a fabulous breakfast with Chloe and Max.
Je sais pas pourquoi on peut déjeuner, dessiner là. C'est quoi? Qu'est-ce qu'on a écrit?
Oh, I didn't know you had to get groceries.
Ah, on a fait un
Obvious,
papillon.
but it will have to do.
I'll have an excuse to get a mocha. Be there shortly.
Ouais, c'est pour faire une marque, pour qu'elle soit sûre de... Bah, qu'elle revienne, qu'elle a vraiment fait...
Excuse me, ladies. I have to go rescue yonder queen at the Save Mart. She doth have many bags of delicious grub for us to feast upon.
You are ridiculous.
You'll be grateful for that someday. Shit, where are my keys?
Chloe was so into manga. Nice hair.
Oh là là, ses cheveux bleus, elle les a pris de manga.
That's $1 for the swear jar.
You mean your college fund? Keys, please. Shit, where are those keys?
Man, I remember Chloe reading this. But not after today.
Another $1 for the swear jar.
You're bankrupting me.
What?
I knew this thing would come in handy. How did my keys get in here? And no Chloe and Max.
Bon, du coup, dans le... Ouais, merde, je suis censé les cacher où? Je suis sûr que si je les garde sur moi jusque-là, il va tellement m'en vouloir.
Grateful for that some.
Ok, avant le tag. On va revenir encore un coup. Ça, c'est avant qu'on les cache, parfait. On va faire le tag d'abord. Pardon, le tag il est là-bas. On va le laisser. Comme ça, puis là, faut que je cache les clés quelque part.
I have no idea why the home phone didn't ring just
Mais je les cache où?
I'm just making a fabulous breakfast with Chloe and Max. We're all going to work at the Two Whales. What? Oh, I didn't know you had to get groceries. Of course I'll come pick you up. Now I'll have an excuse to get a mocha.
On va les mettre dans la plante.
Love you. Excuse me, ladies. I have to go rescue yonder queen at the Save Mart. She doth have many bags of delicious grub for us to feast upon.
I forgot about this. Back to the lighthouse.
You are ridiculous.
You'll be grateful for that someday. Shit, where are my keys?
That's $1 for the swear jar.
You mean your college fund? Keys, please. Shit, where are those keys?
Another $1 for the swear jar.
You're bankrupting me.
Ah, il le sort de ses poches, le truc. Il les a trouvés.
Chloe and...
Yeah, c'est bon.
Great.
Ah non, plus loin encore. Voilà, c'est bon.
Be there shortly.
Crap. I need to hide the keys where William won't hear his dumb beeper.
Excuse me, ladies. I have to go rescue yonder queen at the Save Mart. She doth have many bags of delicious grub for us to feast upon.
Là-dedans, c'est tellement pas une bonne idée.
You'll be grateful for that someday.
Là-dedans, il va tellement les entendre
Shit,
résonner.
where are my keys?
C'est dommage de pas accélérer.
You mean your
Parce qu'il faut
college
cacher les
fund?
clés. Je vais peut-être les lancer dehors, même si j'en doute.
Shit, where are those keys?
Another $1 for the swear jar.
You're bankrupting me.
C'est ça. C'est beaucoup trop fort. Putain, mais où est-ce que je suis censé cacher ça?
For us to feast upon.
You are ridiculous.
You'll be grateful for that someday.
Là-dedans, peut-être.
Shit, where are my keys?
That's $1 for the swear jar.
You mean your college fund? Keys, please.
C'est un peu long.
Shit, where are those keys?
Another $1 for the swear jar.
You're bankrupting me.
Ça s'entend. Ah! Je suis censé mettre ça où? Là, je vais trop loin là, c'est bon, arrête. Wow! Wow, c'est parti très loin là.
Remember how many eggs?
Mom said it depends. Hey, like you're the real cook here?
Vite.
When you...
Now I get.
Ok.
I'll let her know that.
Où je peux mettre les clés? Ah, les jeter dehors. Parfait. Là s'il l'entend, là, il y a un foutu problème. Elles sont dehors et la fenêtre est fermée. Voilà, c'est bon, ça a fonctionné.
I know I had those keys right here. I know it. Forgot all about you, little buddy. Release the keys. Of course. Last time I ordered from Spy Guy Electronics.
You can take the bus, right? The stop is right down the street.
This I can do. Good call, Max.
Oh yeah, the bus is great. It comes every 15 minutes and there'll be plenty of room for you and Joyce and groceries and it'll save the environment.
You sold me already. I'm off to yonder bus stop. Joyce will love this.
Lol. Ouf.
Max, you are being so fucking strange. You feel okay?
Chloe, I am awesome. We are awesome.
Ouais, mais quand tu changes le passé, le futur change aussi. Donc là, on lui a sauvé la vie à lui, mais qu'est-ce que ça a coûté? Chloé n'a pas fait ce truc-là. Elle a eu une photo avec son père à la place. À un autre moment. Il n'y a pas eu de mariage avec David, parce que William n'est pas mort. C'est plutôt un anniversaire de mariage entre Joyce et William. Ça, c'est pas arrivé comme ça. Ils se sont pas enculés. Elle a plutôt reçu des clés de voiture pour un anniversaire. Et le camion qu'elle a eu, ça ressemble beaucoup à celui qu'elle avait actuellement. Et là, il y a un hic. Pour tous les bienfaits que tu reçois quand tu changes le passé, il y a forcément une action négative qui va avec. Ou même plusieurs. Là, va savoir laquelle c'est.
Hello, are you even listening, Maxine?
All my friends in LA told me that Oregon was
Max.
going to be wet and cold every day.
Never, Maxine.
I
I know, sorry, Mad Max. You're not pissed at me, right? Right?
It's people in Oregon.
Do you want to go
trying
hit the
keep
girls' potty and
California
smoke a peace pipe?
I think Max is high.
She's acting like so weird. You cool, Max?
Nobody listened when I said we shouldn't let her in the vortex.
Courtney, you don't want anybody in the club.
Like whatever, bitch.
Et là, on se ramasse à être les... à être les...
He hooked up with Stella?
Ah, ça te fait mal au cœur, non? Mais ils vont bien ensemble, quand même. Non, c'est Brock qui est full technologique et tout.
Fucked up. What else have I changed?
Ouais, là tous les gens sont bizarres. D'ailleurs, elle est habillée bizarrement elle aussi. Et on est amis avec les crétins. Et David est chauffeur de bus. C'est quand même moins bien que garde de sécurité quand même. Mais le père de Chloé serait mort dans un accident sinon. Chloé a reçu des clés de voiture. On va le voir. À moins que ce soit la fin du chapitre. Du coup, ce serait un prochain épisode. Je sais plus. Les oiseaux. Ils sont complètement paumés, les oiseaux. Vu les changements qu'on fait dans le temps, là, c'est vraiment pas bon. Pour l'univers en général. Ça va être le prochain chapitre. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a en fait? Est-ce qu'il y a cette fois-ci comme moment particulier? Hein? Une baleine échouée? Plusieurs baleines échouées même. C'est ça le truc particulier de fin de ce chapitre-ci. Avec les deux autres, on a eu de la neige et une éclipse non prévue. Là, il y a 3 baleines, voire même peut-être plus, qui se sont échouées. C'est quand même étrange.
Max Caulfield. Taking a break after taking Seattle by storm, huh? We thought we'd never see you again after you left for the big city.
No. I'd never do that to Chloe.
Speaking of, I know she's been dying to see you. Hold on. Chloe! You have a visitor!
Ouais. Très bizarre le fait qu'elle ait pas les cheveux bleus à cet âge-là. C'est elle qui s'est pris l'accident à la place de son père, et je dirais que c'est pire que le fait qu'elle ait survécu. Vu son état, elle peut quasiment rien faire, elle est paralysée de partout, il y a juste la bouche qui est fonctionnelle, c'est tout. Le reste, elle peut pas le bouger. Ou presque. Ouais, bon. Vous avez volé l'argent, on l'a pas laissé, on a embrassé Chloé, on a pris parti de Chloé, on a laissé Frank, vous n'avez pas laissé le chien de Frank être blessé, ouais, en l'envoyant sur la route. Chloé elle a le pistolet de David, ouais, c'est ça. Parce que c'était Frank qui l'avait, en ouvrant une des petits trucs que j'ai ouvert tout à l'heure, on pouvait le trouver en fait. Bon, continuons. On approche bientôt de la fin en plus, c'est quand même dans très bientôt. C'est plutôt bien. End of the World Party. T'auras jamais eu autant raison de toute ta vie. Dark Room, il reste plus que 2 chapitres en fait. Donc la vidéo va s'arrêter ici. Si vous avez apprécié, n'hésitez pas à liker, commenter, partager, vous abonner si ce n'est pas déjà fait. Et moi je dis à plus dans une prochaine vidéo. Ciao!